Hey, what's going on, everyone? Mike from the Pipe Doctor, 516-348-6300. Today we're working on a Fujitsu AOU18RLXFW1 with the ASU18RLF1 on the inside unit. We are using our FieldPiece. I think this is the VP8. What is this called? Yeah, VP85 HCFM vacuum pump. We have our BluVac Plus Pro Micron gauge, and most important, we have by AccuTools the TruBlue Evacuation kit. Look at these hoses. These are incredible, made for only vacuum purposes. Comes with adapters to make any kind of connection you want. The T, and we started this vacuum process about 5 minutes ago, and we're at 290 microns already. What's great about the BluVac Plus Pro is that it comes with this app, like that, and it does a built-in 15-second decay test. Hit this button right there. We're going to start decay test by we close the valve there, and I forgot to put one there. So now we start over. Hold on. Well, we're only humans and make mistakes. So there's my other Schrader tool removal tool on there. Schrader core removal tool on there. I can hook up another hose there, or another micron gauge if you want to check both sides, but not necessary. So that's on there. We're at 3,100 microns and dropping. Make sure everything's nice and snug there, which it is. And back to the app. You'll see that we are at 1,800 and dropping fast microns. We'll give us a few minutes and I'll get back to this. I'll show you how to do the decay test. But a big shout out to AccuTools. Guys are amazing. A couple weeks ago, I called them up about the differences in their micron gauges because they make 3 of them. This is the most expensive one. It's pushing 400 bucks. Yeah, $400 for a micron gauge, you go figure. But these hoses right here, pretty penny. About 800 bucks. If you go to TruTech Tools, the #1 place for high-tech tools to get our job done easier. So we're at 720 and dropping. We'll come back at around 250. All right, we're at 236, and now we're gonna start a decay test, which is kind of awesome. It does it in about 15 seconds. We're gonna hit that little button right there, and it'll say confirm isolation by closing the 2 valves. We'll close this one, we'll close this one, and you'll see it's already starting to go up. We'll hit start decay test, and it'll tell us relatively fast if it passes or fails. In about 15 seconds, so let's just wait and see. Little countdown timer at the bottom there. Usually 15 seconds, but we're at 20 seconds and counting. But we're still within a great safe range for this test. All right, after about 2 minutes of pulling the decay test, and it's hovering around 700 microns for, I don't know, a couple minutes, 2 minutes, I decided to call Dennis over at AccuTools and get some feedback from him. The BluVac Plus Pro Micron gauge will give a passing decay test in as little as 15 seconds, but conditions will make that affect that time. So we're at 2 minutes. So right now, I just at 175 microns with this. We're going to push the little button down there. We're going to start the decay test after closing this and this. And let's see how fast it will give a passing grade to this Fujitsu system. We'll get this up and running. I can turn off the vacuum pump right now. It's not needed. And I will come back when this thing gives us a pass. I think it was a minute into it on the decay test of this passing decay test. So look what it says. Pass. The decay has passed. What would you like to do? We could continue, quit, or finish and save. We'll finish and save. And look at that breakdown it gives us. Not bad, huh? Saves that, and you have the results. So now we're just going to finish the startup and commissioning of this system and get them up and running, and then we can work on the one right over there.